Hello everyone, my name is Raskiti and I'm gonna be your cabin crew for today's vlog. So I'm going to the mall with my friend Chelsea in a while and I'm just getting ready. And tinetest ko lang din yung DJI Osmo Mobile 3 that I just bought recently during my last Manila layover. So magre-ready lang ako. This is gonna be my first ever vlog, so please don't judge me. By the way, I already put primer before I applied my foundation. And I don't know kung saan mall kami pupunta ng Chelsea, but let's see. So this is what I'm wearing. This one is from Zara. This one is from Garage, and my sandals, I think I just got it from an Instagram shop. So there you go. Tagal ni Charles. Charles, where are you?
Wait lang. Tapos titin ko
Hi
lang.
guys.
Wait for it.
We're going to Festival City Mall. Look at Chelsea's Kipling bag.
Wow.
So nice, diba? Diba talaga si Madam?
Yung kilay ko ngayon, look. Ganda ng tubo niya ngayon.
Bet. Okay, hindi ako nagtitrim. Ay, di pa ako nagtitrim ng kilay. Hi guys, we're here at the mall na. We're looking for another DJI Mobile 3 for Chelsea. Yeah, she's gonna buy. Ubos sahod, ganun. Kakasahod lang pero walwal agad. Kakapadala lang pero wala nang pera. Buhay cabin crew. buhay OFW. So this is how the mall looks like. Super daming stores. Of course, may mga Supreme nga dito, di ba?
Di,
Tsaka
99
Okoy.
reals. Jumper lang yun. 99 reals, girl. Afford.
Kala ko. I need to buy
I need to buy something.
foundation mamaya.
Oh my God, girl. Oo. Pero,
Ganyan kami. Dapat hindi kami friends ni Chelsea kasi
big spender plus big spender equals to biggest spender. Something.
sobrang laki talaga ng mga toilet dito. Parang pwede ng bahay. Actually, di ba? Mga ilang kondo na to eh. Ay, pwede na ako dito tumira sa toilet lang. Yung... Oo nga. Akin din, pag naka-block ako, mukhang brown yung ano ko. Feeling ko sa ano lang, light. Pero black na may hair ko eh. Look at Chelsea's hair. So nice. Diyan na in love si James. Chelsea's gonna buy there. Ayan na si Chelsea. Magwawalwal na po siya. Can buy you, your friends, and this club. Meron na ba sila?
5K, kaya.
Ay, bigatin talaga si Chelsea. So 5K. Max na bibili. 11 Pro. How much is that? 550. So, may bibili na po. Ano bibili mo, Charles? Oh, look at this. So nice. Ay, matte na siya. Pro,
Cute ang green eh.
actually. Pero, gusto ko yung space gray. Kung ako bibili. I mean, nagre-regret nga ako dun sa phone ko. Ito, bet ko may Mario Kart. Mario Kart is life.
Wala nang ano ba?
Or, di ba may yung bagong Switch? Yung parang
Kasi gusto na kapatid sa
Ate Duties. Ate Duties by Chelsea Joy.
I'm planning to buy. Kasi may Bluetooth speaker ko.
Super torn. That's Chelsea Joy pag nag-window shopping siya. I mean, nagsha-shopping. Pag sa Chelsea, shopping yon. Pag ako, window shopping. Wala tayong pera mga besh. Nagpadala na tayo. Pangarap ko din magkaganyan. Hanggang pangarap lang. Kasi maganda siya sa room.
Actually,
Diba? Super Pinterest.
Siya, eh, kasi ano na siya, Bluetooth speaker na din. So kung gusto ko i-play, hindi ko sa kanya. Gusto ko iwan.
True. Pag yung nagtatravel naman, madaling makahanap. Charot. What to buy? Charles, what did you buy?
Ha?
What did you buy?
Ako yung maraming binili. Ako pa yung sasali magsasave. Ako pa yung maraming binili.
Ako yung nag-aya. Ako yung may balak mag-shopping. Pero siya yung madaming binili. Broke.
Naman ko pagkain.
We're looking for Sephora to buy makeup for work, of course. We're here at Sephora. Which one, Charles? Chelsea and her lipsticks. Ano din na Which one?
Taking.
I might get that 13. Sawa na ako sa 14.
Ito yung 14.
14, this one. This one. Right most, this one. Yeah.
Kasi ito naman yung market.
Kaso bawal kasi nude for work.
I know, it's not, maybe. I have
for
my list.
personal.
For personal. Do you have the tester for number 5? Number 5? Okay.
She bought a lot. Like, she spent 240 reals. Samantala ko 73 lang. So, times 3 ng gastos ko yung ginastos niya. Shopping pa, Chels.
Ano lang ako eh. Kasama lang ako eh.
Kasama lang siya, pero
Stand. Nagigigil ako.